Basically, I've had a journey of being a baseball player and not allowing that ball to get by me. Sometimes on a bad field, I'd received the ball and got hit in the mouth several times and lost some teeth. Oftentimes when I got hit, I always wanted to stay in the game. Regardless of losing teeth, I never wanted to come out.
Mike presented to us several years back with a need for some replacement to a couple of teeth on the top on the left. We were able to perform those procedures using conventional means at that time. He was very happy with the result. Later, he represented to us with the need for restoring both upper and lower on the right. 3 implants total were going to be needed.
I knew that eventually they ran out of teeth to put a bridge through. So I needed the process of an implant. The implants were important for me to feel good about my mouth and have a healthy mouth. Dr. Clark and his staff are amazing. He sets out to have a plan ready for me prior to the surgery, execute that plan, and then, when everybody says, I love it when a plan goes well, definitely. So I am extremely happy with the results and his ultimate care. All of my implants that I've gone through already, they're stronger or better than my original teeth. They're just strong.
It's a pleasure knowing Mike. He brings energy and spirit every time he comes in to visit. We're happy that he's happy and that he's going to continue to be able to smile for everyone he comes across.